In this lesson we are just going to add new menu, and for doing so you have to just exit that Elementor, and we are going to come here and exit to dashboard. And in dashboard we will just click appearance, and we have like menu and customization. Both of them are same at the right place, but I will come in customization, and we will see that here in live preview that whatever we are going to just change in menu or in website as well. Now for example, you have menu and you are going to create new menu, and you are going to write that main, and here we are going to select main, and you are going to see that we are going to press next, and after that you are going to see that you are going to add some item to that menu, and for that one I will add home, services, contact, and about. Okay, now services should be okay, about should be here, and contact should be at the final. And you can see now, right now we have completely each and every menu is here. If I'm going to click on services, then you will see that it will go towards services, and about it will go to about, and contact it will go to contact, and home, and we have right now home, that is we have built our home page, and we are going to publish that one. And after that we just going to come here, and we have everything, just the menu is now ready. And if you are going to see that, refresh that one, and the menus are ready. For doing so we will come in pages, and in home we are going to edit that one. And one thing I have noticed here, if you are going to edit with Elementor, and you are going to see that we have on the top we have one area as well, and that is due to the we have, let me just go and exit from here, and I will show you that we are going to come in header, and we have enable or disable the top bar. We have one bar here as well, in top bar there is one option as well. We are going to disable that one and going to update, and you are going to see right now it has been disabled, and we have now complete menu. And next what we are just going to do, we are just going to make and edit that Elementor with Elementor, and we are just going to delete each and every section of that one, because we don't want that one, and it is not looking good. As a professional, when you are going to create your website, you should be a very well designed sense, and that is only possible if you are a graphic designer and you have graphic experience. Then therefore we are going to remove everything here, and now everything is removed, and we are going to add on the folder, and it is add template. And after that you are going to just see different complete website there are, and we are going to use one of free website which is home page, and we are going to say that insert, and it will install our website which is completely established. And after that we are going to just make some customization, or we can add or remove anything which we want from ourselves. Now let's see what it looks like, and just experience the home page of that website. As you can see that it is now loaded, and we have complete website is here. Now scrolling down, each and everything is here. Let me just update that one. And after updating, when we are going to just refresh our website, and you can see completely amazing website already has been created, and with some very easy and simple step you can just change that website. For example, how to make a website, we are just going to change that one in main dashboard. And for example, let's come here, we are going to say build website, build website, website without coding. Okay, now see how easily we can convert and edit that one. We can edit each and everything, and we can either change the size of that column which you want. And when I'm going to update that one, you can see now how to build will be changed into build website without coding. And next you have you can change each and every every part of that website, and it is already looking very nice. If like you have Weebly and you are going to pay for that one extra monies, you don't need anymore now. And in next video we are going to see that how we can make more beautiful website from that one, and how we are going to organize and make that one more beautifully, because right now you are going to see that you choose your image, how to edit that one, how to make each and everything perfect.